Everyone assumes you need 3 suitcases, a pharmacy's worth of medications, and half your closet just to leave the house for 2 weeks. You know the things everybody tells you about traveling as a senior? Well, I'm about to shatter that myth completely. Last month, I watched my neighbor Margaret struggle through the airport with 2 massive suitcases, a rolling bag, and a purse the size of a small country. She looked exhausted before her European river cruise even began. Meanwhile, I caught up with her with just my carry-on and a smile. She stopped dead in her tracks and asked how I possibly fit everything for 14 days into one small bag. That conversation inspired today's video because the truth is, traveling light isn't just for 20-somethings with nothing but jeans and t-shirts. It's actually more important for us mature travelers who want to enjoy our trips without wrestling with heavy luggage or waiting at baggage claim, wondering if our suitcase ended up in Timbuktu. The psychology behind smart packing. Here's what I've learned after decades of travel. We pack our fears, not our needs. We stuff our suitcases with what-if scenarios instead of what we'll actually use items. The fear of not having the perfect outfit for every occasion drives us to overpack drastically. But consider this reality check. You'll wear the same comfortable walking shoes 90% of the time. That fancy dress you're convinced you need for one special dinner? You'll probably choose something comfortable instead after walking 15,000 steps through cobblestone streets. Smart packing starts with understanding that laundry exists everywhere in the world. Revolutionary concept, right? You don't need 14 days worth of clothes. You need 4 days worth of clothes and access to a washing machine twice during your trip. The foundation. Choosing your luggage wisely. Your luggage choice determines everything else. Forget those massive suitcases with enough room for a small apartment. You want a quality carry-on that maximizes space while minimizing weight. Look for bags with 4 spinner wheels that glide effortlessly, not 2 wheels that you have to drag behind you like a reluctant dog. Hard shell cases protect your belongings better, but soft-sided bags offer more flexibility for squeezing into overhead compartments. Consider the weight of the empty bag itself. Some carry-ons weigh 8 pounds before you put anything inside. Others weigh just 4 pounds. That 4-pound difference means more room for your actual belongings without exceeding weight limits. Your personal item bag is equally crucial. This goes under the seat in front of you and should contain everything you need during the flight, plus your most essential items. Think of it as your survival kit if your carry-on gets gate-checked unexpectedly. The magic of strategic clothing selection. The secret isn't packing less clothes, it's packing smarter clothes. Everything in your suitcase should mix and match with everything else. Choose a color palette of 2 or 3 complementary colors maximum. Black, navy, and white work beautifully together. Gray, cream, and burgundy create elegant combinations. The key is avoiding orphan pieces that only work with one other item. Every piece should work with at least 3 other pieces in your suitcase. Focus on fabrics that don't wrinkle easily. Merino wool is magical for travel because it naturally resists odors and wrinkles. You can wear a merino wool shirt 2 or 3 times before it needs washing. Jersey knits, modal blends, and synthetic materials designed for athletic wear also travel beautifully. Choose versatile pieces that serve multiple purposes. A cardigan works as a light jacket, airplane blanket, or elegant layer for dinner. Leggings function as pajama bottoms, workout clothes, or comfortable travel wear. A simple black dress becomes casual with sandals or dressy with jewelry and heels. Footwear. The make-or-break decision. Shoes are the heaviest items in your suitcase and take up the most space. You need exactly 2 pairs maximum, 3 if you're pushing it, but 2 is ideal. Your primary shoes should be comfortable walking shoes that look good with everything you packed. These workhorses will carry you through museums, markets, and city streets. Break them in thoroughly before your trip. Nothing ruins a vacation like blisters on day 2. Your second pair should be either dressier shoes for special occasions or comfortable sandals for warm weather destinations. Choose something lightweight that serves a specific purpose your walking shoes cannot. Wear your heaviest shoes on the airplane. This saves precious suitcase space and weight. If you're bringing boots or hiking shoes, wear them during travel days. Toiletries, streamlining your routine. The toiletry section of any drugstore would have you believe you need 17 different products just to maintain basic hygiene. Nonsense. You need the essentials that keep you clean, healthy, and comfortable. Start with solid alternatives whenever possible. Shampoo bars, soap bars, and even toothpaste tablets eliminate liquid restrictions and save space. They're also environmentally friendly and often last longer than their liquid counterparts. For liquids you cannot replace with solids, invest in quality travel-size containers. The cheap ones from discount stores leak and create disasters in your luggage. Good containers cost more upfront, but save you from replacing ruined clothes. Simplify your skincare routine while traveling. Your skin will thank you for fewer products, not more. Stick to cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Leave the 12-step routine at home. The art of efficient packing. Rolling clothes saves more space than folding, but the real magic happens when you combine techniques. Roll t-shirts and casual items. Fold blazers and dresses to prevent wrinkles. Use every inch of space by stuffing socks inside shoes and tucking underwear into corners. Packing cubes revolutionize organization and maximize space. They compress your clothes while keeping everything tidy. You can find items quickly without destroying your entire suitcase organization. Color code your cubes. One for tops, one for bottoms, one for undergarments. Pack heavier items like shoes and toiletries at the bottom of your suitcase near the wheels. This keeps your bag balanced and prevents it from tipping over. Lighter items go on top. Use plastic bags to separate dirty clothes from clean ones. Bring extras for wet swimwear or muddy hiking boots. They weigh nothing and solve multiple organizational problems. Technology and documentation. Your smartphone replaces multiple travel items. It's your camera, map, translator, entertainment system, and communication device. But technology fails, so pack backup chargers and consider a portable power bank for long travel days. Store digital copies of important documents in cloud storage accessible offline. Email yourself copies of your passport, insurance cards, and prescriptions. Take photos of your credit cards and store them securely. Bring appropriate power adapters for your destinations, but research which type you need beforehand. Universal adapters work everywhere, but are bulkier than specific regional ones. Medication and health considerations. Pack medications in their original containers with clear labels. Bring more than you need in case of travel delays. Keep prescription medications in your carry-on bag, never in checked luggage. Research your destination's pharmacy availability for over-the-counter medications. You probably don't need to pack every possible remedy for every possible ailment. Basic pain relievers, upset stomach medication, and any prescription drugs cover most situations. Consider travel insurance that covers medical emergencies and evacuation. The peace of mind is worth the cost, especially for seniors traveling internationally. Weather and season considerations. Check weather forecasts, but pack for variability rather than specific predictions. Weather changes and forecasts become less reliable beyond 5 days out. Layering is your friend. A light base layer, medium insulation layer, and waterproof outer layer handle most weather conditions. This system weighs less than one heavy coat and offers more versatility. Pack one warm layer even for tropical destinations. Airplanes, air-conditioned restaurants, and unexpected weather can make you surprisingly cold. The day of travel strategy. Wear your heaviest outfit on the airplane. This includes boots, jeans, and your thickest sweater. You can always remove layers once you board, but you can't add weight that isn't already with you. Dress in layers for airplane comfort. Temperatures vary dramatically during flights, and you want the flexibility to adjust without unpacking your carry-on. Keep essentials easily accessible in your personal item. This includes medications, phone chargers, entertainment, snacks, and a change of underwear in case your carry-on gets lost. Money-saving benefits. Carry-on-only travel saves money in multiple ways. Airlines charge increasingly expensive fees for checked baggage. Round-trip baggage fees can cost more than $100 per person. You avoid baggage claim delays and lost luggage stress. Your vacation starts immediately upon landing instead of waiting 30 minutes hoping your suitcase appears. Smaller luggage means easier transportation at your destination. You can walk farther, use public transportation more easily, and navigate stairs without assistance. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't pack duplicate items just because you have space. 2 black cardigans serve the same purpose as 1 black cardigan. Use that space for something different instead. Avoid packing aspirational items. That hiking gear you think you might use but never do at home won't magically become appealing during vacation. Pack for who you actually are. not who you wish you were. Don't wait until the day before departure to test your packing strategy. Practice packing your carry-on at least 1 week before travel. This gives you time to adjust and replace items that don't work. Building confidence through practice. Start with shorter trips to build confidence in your carry-on packing abilities. A long weekend getaway lets you test your system without the pressure of a major vacation. Keep a packing list on your phone and update it after each trip. Note what you used, what you didn't, and what you wished you had brought. This creates a personalized packing template for future adventures. Remember that you can buy items at your destination if you forget something essential. This isn't failure, it's flexibility. Some of my favorite travel memories involve shopping for forgotten items in local markets. The freedom of light travel. Traveling with just a carry-on transforms your entire travel experience. You move through airports with confidence instead of stress. You focus on experiences instead of managing belongings. The mental freedom is even more valuable than the physical benefits. When you know you can handle everything you need in one small bag, you approach travel with a different mindset. You're more spontaneous, more adaptable, and more present in each moment. This isn't about deprivation or making do with less. It's about choosing quality over quantity and experiences over possessions. You'll return home feeling accomplished and empowered, not exhausted from managing too much stuff. Your 2-week adventure awaits, and now you know exactly how to pack everything you need into one carry-on bag. You have the tools, the strategies, and the confidence to travel light and smart. If this video helped you reimagine your travel packing approach, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical travel tips designed specifically for mature, smart travelers. Share your own carry-on packing victories in the comments below. I love hearing how fellow travelers conquer their packing challenges and discover the freedom of traveling light. Safe travels, and remember, the best adventures start with smart preparation and end with amazing memories, not heavy suitcases.